Hello and welcome to German Lehrer, a premium way to learn Deutsch. In this lesson 20, we're going to learn about different places in the city. When you are in the city, the first place you can go to is hotel. And in German we say Hotel. Hotel. It's neuter. So in singular you can say das Hotel. Das Hotel, and in plural, die Hotels. Die Hotels. And the second place you can go, restaurant. In German, we say Restaurant. Restaurant. It's neuter too. So, das Restaurant. Die Restaurants. And the next one is bar. The two words for bar. First one is bar. And the second one is Kneipe. Kneipe. Both of them are feminine. So, die Bar, die Bars, die Kneipe, die Kneipen. When you are outdoor, you can simply go to park. In German, it is known as Park. Park. It's masculine. So, der Park, die Parks. And the next one is playground. Spielplatz. Spielplatz. It's masculine. So, der Spielplatz, die Spielplätze. Die Spielplätze. Shopping. You can go to mall. In German, we say Einkaufszentrum. Einkaufszentrum. It's neuter. So, das Einkaufszentrum, die Einkaufszentren. Supermarket. In German, we say Supermarkt. Supermarkt. It is masculine. So, der Supermarkt, die Supermärkte, die Supermärkte. To spend your leisure time, you can go to cinema. In German, we say Kino. Kino. It is neuter. Das Kino, die Kinos. Public swimming pools are known as Schwimmbad. Schwimmbad. It's neuter. So, das Schwimmbad, die Schwimmbäder. Die Schwimmbäder. And you can go to various shops. First one, bookstore. In German, we say Buchladen. Buchladen. It is masculine. Der Buchladen. Die Buchläden. Die Buchläden. And the next one is pharmacy. In German we say Apotheke. Apotheke. It's feminine. Die Apotheke. Die Apotheken. And the third one is bakery. In German we say Bäckerei. Bäckerei. It's feminine. So, die Bäckerei, die Bäckerien. Die Bäckerien. And the fourth one is cafe. It has the similar spelling in German, but different pronunciation. Cafe. Cafe. It is neuter. So, das Cafe, die Cafe. And now we will learn about some emergency places. First one is hospital, Krankenhaus, Krankenhaus. It is neuter. Das Krankenhaus, die Krankenhäuser, die Krankenhäuser. And then police station, Polizeiwache, Polizeiwache. And Polizei means Police, Wache means station. Polizeiwache, police station. It's feminine. So, die Polizeiwache, die Polizeiwachen. And the next one is fire station. In German we say Feuerwehrwache, Feuerwehrwache. It's feminine. Die Feuerwehrwache, die Feuerwehrwachen, die Feuerwehrwachen. To ask where is the bakery, you could say wo ist die Bäckerei? Wo ist die Bäckerei? And to ask where is the hospital? Where is the hospital? You could say wo ist das Krankenhaus? Wo ist das Krankenhaus? And again, keep in mind that to ask any question with where, you have to know the structure, and the structure is where is plus noun. Where means wo, is means ist, and noun means Krankenhaus. It is neuter, so das Krankenhaus. Where is the hospital? Wo ist das Krankenhaus? And notes. Please practice more with someone, get used to with it, and also try to remember the nouns with the articles shown. This video ends up with our A1 course level 1 playlist, and we are going to enter into A1 level 2. Hope you all will be with German Lehrer and watch our next video. Subscribe and inspire us. Tschüss.